Were you not quite ready for educating your child at home? Thrust into this a bit too quickly? Feeling overwhelmed? Not to worry, we've got you covered. Hello, I'm Samantha from Learning Success, and welcome to Educating at Home, an initiative by Learning Success to help you become the expert educator for your child. It may not feel like it, but research shows that parents can truly be the best educators. We'll be creating new videos every day to make sure that you have the knowledge you need to rock this. Make sure to watch them all, and your child is sure to get the best education possible. Today's video is from Melissa Corkum. As a certified professional life coach and empowered to connect parent trainer, Melissa has helped dozens of parents shift to brain-based view of behaviors so they can find more effective solutions besides threatening and punishing. She's also a mom to 6 kids by birth and adoption. They've taught her a lot about what it takes to create thriving parent-child relationships, and what doesn't. Let's see what Melissa has to say about educating at home.
Due to COVID-19, a lot of families who have traditionally relied on schools are now having to tackle the fine art of homeschooling. Now, I used to think that homeschooling was simply school at home, and that's not true. Then, when we started homeschooling in 2011, I thought homeschool was creative lesson plans and field trips. And when I'm feeling really lazy, I like to define it as workbooks and packets of paper. But the truth is that homeschooling is so much more than academics. If you have found yourself an unlikely homeschooling family over the past couple weeks, I want to give you permission to take the word school out of your vocabulary, at least for this short time. The truth is that kids are learning even when we're not teaching. And the most important lessons that they can be learning currently in this unprecedented time are the life ones. Things like how to handle stress well, how to look on the bright side of things, how to find people in need and help out, and how to follow rules and regulations that are really, really hard for the good of the community. All of these lessons can be taught through play or just living life. Spend your energy checking in on your kids and making room for their emotions. There are a lot of disappointments, grief, and confusion right now to process. Invite your kids to do some mindful breathing or kid-friendly yoga. These things are good for you as well as them. Through all of this, you are teaching them the appropriate ways to get through really big challenges in life graciously. These lessons are priceless. They are much better than any algebra assignment or spelling list that's coming home. As Dr. Bruce Perry says, you can teach a 30-year-old how to read, but it's really hard to teach them how to share. Academic lessons are not the priority right now, but character lessons are. You can do this. You are a great parent. You're doing great work, and I believe in you.
Thank you, Melissa. Educating at home is so much more than school at home. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share it on social media and use the hashtag EAH for Educating at Home. And remember, you've got this. The fact that you are here watching this video means you're an amazing parent, and that's a wonderful thing to be.